So first World War II find today. It's a part from a mess-kit. Maybe the Russian destroyed it for aluminium, because they make lots of trench art from mess-kits and buckles and whatever. Really nice find. I really definitely need this part, so I will take it with me. And yeah, we need to check it more here closer, because if we find this here, maybe we can find more stuff like this. So yeah, mask it. In this hole, really clear signal, we find a beautiful coin. No idea for what a coin. I think it can be Belgium or no idea. Wait a minute. No idea. Maybe Latvian or Bulgarian. No idea. But really nice find. Really nice find. So another signal in this hole. A really nice piece. Ammunition clip for K98 rifle. I go on Sana, that you can see it. Really nice condition. I really love these ammo clips, these stripes. It's really awesome. It's my favorite. So definitely keep it. So really good start, really good start. We find a 1 scabbard for hideout knife and this ammo clip, and 1 cent, what is really awesome. So we need to find more stuff. I think we hit a really good spot. We chose this small wood. It's not too big, but we find a bunker. Inside this small wood, it's a bunker, a really huge bunker. German. Look at that. That's really awesome. No way. This is really amazing. Look at that. Look at this bunker, guys. Man, it's huge. Look on this beautiful bunker. Do you want that we going inside? Let me know in the comments. Okay, we're going inside. It's a dead rabbit here. It's really weird. Happy birthday to Military Finder! Awesome! Look at that! Someone make here a birthday party, but yeah, here definitely machine gun or rifles here, and it's really big. Some crap here, like in another bunkers. Look at this sky. Happy birthday, relic finder! Happy birthday! Yeah, really awesome, really awesome. I really like this bunker. Yeah. So we need to check this place a little bit more, and we can find here something like a stage 2. Really cool. Really cool. Really love it. Yeah. The German bunker, ladies and gentlemen. Really awesome. And I find some really nice part from a casing here. Also with end. Okay, really nice casing. It's from iron, like you see, and yeah, bad condition, but anyway, really nice find. So we find an artillery place here, definitely, which defends this small wood. We're talking also with the owner if they remember something from Second War, but they are younger, so no informations about this place, but we know enough. So really nice piece. Another fine spoon. Yeah, really bad shape, but anyway not broken. Yeah, this spoon. Oh, we are on the German and Hungarian position. First find, personal item. Another find against a spoon. Second spoon. Not far away from the first. Really nice spoon. Yeah. Yeah. So the soldiers sit here and eating. Probably Hungarian. So here is the one bunker, and there we see a second bunker. So we're going to check it. Because yeah, so really interesting. Here are the trenches. Really nice zigzag German trenches. And here it's a bunker. It's closed, but anyway, like you can see, it's a bunker. We cannot going inside, we respect it, but really nice, really nice. So again, really nice find. It's a fuse for a cannon cartridge, really nice. Also with marking, like you see. This real love relic finders such a stuff, so I give him this find. Really nice. I need to check this location more. Maybe it's the missing fuse for this cartridges which we find here. Really nice, really nice. Another fine Hungarian bottom of casing buffers. Really good shape, this one. Really like him. I tried to clean it up, and yeah, we will see. Really nice piece, really big one. I'm happy with this. Yes. So maybe we find more stuff. We check whole wood, and could be just only in this part. So yeah, really nice one. I'm really happy with this. Let's find more stuff. Finally, really good find. Apart from watches, silver. Haha. Yes, definitely silver watches. Love it, love it. Really good find. After I don't know, maybe 1 hour we hit good find. I wanna haul watches. Really good, really good. Yes.